I'm going to attempt a cold start on this thing for the first time since I've hauled it home. Well, I'm very clearly doing something right. Okay, that one I don't understand. That's not surprising. That's okay. Headlights work. That marker light doesn't. That one does. I've got like a couple lights. Yay. I have, that's probably a burnt out bulb. Otherwise, I think I've fixed my headlights. Do I have any directionals whatsoever? I do not have directionals. That's just fine. I don't need those. That's probably the vacuum leak causing that, sir. At least my cold start system works pretty dang well. So, yay. There's that. Well, that's enough of that. Still, not the worst.